I'm Ryan from Inline, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about changing the multi-coupon amount, which is one of the most popular changes that all store managers need to do to manage their online shopping websites. By installing the WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin on your e-commerce website, it's possible to filter coupons and then bulk edit their amounts very fast and easy. In this plugin, we designed an easy-to-use filter form that includes all fields related to coupons, as we described in How to Filter Coupon on WooCommerce Bulk Coupons Editing. So, bulk editing the amounts of a group of coupons is simply possible by setting the conditions on the fields in the filter form, and then you can filter them. For example, in this tutorial, we want to change the multi-coupon amount issued for some special products, including new collection of clothes and hoodie. So we're gonna go right ahead and do that. And first we have to open the filter form and then go to the user restriction tab and choose or from the condition box in front of include products. And now select new collection of clothes and hoodie in the selection box. And then just click on Get Coupons. Now all the coupons that we need to change the amounts of are filtered. Adding proper columns to the coupons table is another advantage of our plugin, which can help you to see the data related to each column in the main page and then also inline edit them directly from the table. So we add coupon amounts column to the coupon table by column profile form. And if you need more help on adding columns to the coupon table, check out our video on how to manage coupons column on WooCommerce bulk coupons editing. Alright, changing the multi-coupon amount is an easy task in our plugin, which you can do in the bulk edit form. Now, to have access to this form, you need to click on the bulk edit button on the top left of the main page. Then you can find the coupon amount field in the general tab of this form right here. As you can see, two boxes are designed in front of this field to help store managers change multi-coupon amounts very quickly. So the boxes are condition box and coupon amount box. Now in the condition box, some default conditions are available and you can choose one of them to kind of specify how the coupons amounts must be edited. These are the items that can multi-change coupon amounts. So the first item is set new, as you can see. And what set new does is that it sets the amount of the text box as a new value for coupon amounts, and then we have clear value in which all coupon amounts will be removed, and then formula in which a new value will be set for coupon amounts based on the old amounts as a variation in an equation, and then increase and decrease by value in which the old amounts will increase or decrease by the value of the text box, and then increase and decrease by value %. And here, the old amounts will increase or decrease by the value % of the text box. Well, it's kind of obvious that for all the mentioned conditions except for formula, you need to type an amount in the text box next to the condition box. Now, to better understand how you can change the multi-coupon amount in our plugin, we're gonna do this in some examples. Example number 1, increase or decrease coupon amounts by value. Before increasing the values, you should know that these are the primary amounts of filtered coupons. Now, to increase these amounts by 5, for example, we need to first open bulk edit form again, and then find coupon amount field in the general tab, then choose increase by value from the drop-down list of condition box. Now go ahead and type 5 in the opposite text box. Now, if we choose decrease by value from the condition box and then type 5 again in the text box and then click on do bulk edit, as you can see, what happens is that all coupon amounts will return to their previous values. Example 2, increase or decrease coupon amounts by value %. Now, let's try another option and increase the amounts of filtered coupons, this time by 10%. We're just going to repeat the previous steps, except this time we'll select increase by value % from the combo box of condition box and then type 10 in the next text box here. Now, if we click on do bulk edit, the coupon amounts should increase by 10%. But now, let's select decrease by value 10% and keep the rest of the conditions the same and see what happens. You see how the amounts changed this time? Now, to make sure that the results are correct, let's check out the amounts of the first coupon. Example number 3, change multi-coupon amounts by formula. By using formula to change the multi-coupon amounts in our plugin, you can edit the current value in a flexible way. You just need to keep in mind that X is the current value in your equation. By X, we mean the capital letter X. For example, if you choose a formula from the condition box items and type this formula in the text box, X plus 10 multiplied by 50 divided by 10. Then click on do bulk edit. And as you can see, the amounts of the filtered coupons will change, as you can see here. Example number 4, clear multi-coupon amount at the same time. Clearing multi-coupon amount is simply possible by selecting clear value from the condition box and then click on do bulk edit. And as you can see, the amounts of the filtered coupons have been removed. Example 5, set a new amount for filtered coupons. To set a new amount for all coupons filtered before, you just need to choose set new from the drop-down list of condition box in front of coupon amount field, as you can see right here, and then type the new value in the text box, for example 60. And as we expected, the amounts of filtered coupons have been set to 60.